Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Sublime Text Editor on Rocky Linux 9. Okay, open any web browser, then go to sublimetext.com. Click on download, then click on Linux repos. Then for Rocky or RHL or CentOS, we have to click on this M repository. Or if you scroll down, see here we have the commands. See, for M repository, we have to install this GPG. Or just here click on M. Then we will come to here. So first copy this command. It is going to install the GPG. Open activities, then then click on terminal, then paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Then if you want to install stable release, we have to run this command. If you want to install development edition, we have to run this one. So select the channel. So I'm going to install stable version. So copy it to add the repository. Paste it, hit enter. See, if you receive this error, just you need to run sudo m install m hyphen utils. Hit, hit enter, type and hit enter. It is done. Control L. Now run this channel, paste it, hit enter. See, successfully added. Now install the Sublime Text Editor. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, it is going to install the latest table for one. See, we have successfully installed Sublime Text Editor. Now click on Activities, then Show Applications. See, here we have the Sublime Text Editor. Click on it. See, we got the Sublime Text Editor. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install Sublime Text Editor on Rocky Linux 9. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.